And this game has get one team to get into the finals.
Yes, we will have one team per group making it to the finals. So Group A, pretty much sorted and dusted. Kerala Strikers, having won both their games, are through. Group B, and the match that's coming up after this game, that's going to feature the Telugu Warriors, who take on the Chennai Rhinos. That is a crucial game, especially for the Chennai Rhinos. They've got to try and win it, because if Telugu Warriors win, they'll have 2 wins and make it through to the final, and they'll play later in the evening.
It would be an easy way to go through for Telugu Warriors is concerned. Rajiv picked it up nicely, this one from Manoj Tiwari. Coming back for the second run.
Back up. Yes.
Kabir did well to get to the ball, kept the batsman down to 2. So Rajiv opens his account with that brace.
See some CCL goes with the glamour as well. This is Mumbai Indians dugout.
आवाज जरूर आई थी, इसीलिए मनोज तिवारी अपील कर रहे थे कैच की, पर मुझे लगा कि बैट टच किया था, या तो ग्राउंड से या पैड से स्क्रैप करके गया था, बॉल से बहुत दूर था.
I think Raman Rajiv hit the ground. Look at that, hitting the ground wide, and they all get excited. All these small things. That's a great enthusiastic we need to see from these heroes as well.
क्या बात. अंपायर का रिएक्शन देखिए और मनोज तिवारी को देखिए, पैशन साफ झलकता हुआ मनोज तिवारी के चेहरे पे, और ये अच्छा लगता है देखते हुए कि आप सिर्फ ऐसे ही स्टार्स हैं, ये आपका प्राइमरी फोकस एरिया नहीं है, फिर भी आप 110% डाल रहे हैं, कमिटमेंट दिखा रहे हैं प्रैक्टिस में भी और पिच पर भी.
That comes with all that passion. You know the word we say cricket passion se khelna chahiye, and I think these heroes from all the teams are playing with passion, so much passion. We see Sohail Khan, the Mumbai owner,
And he's
Mumbai
got
Heroes owner.
Absolutely, Sunil. He's got a passion for a lot of sports. Well bowled, Manoj Tiwari. There's a boundary rider at the back. Just a single. Field ke hisab se bowling kari.
That's it. बहुत बढ़िया.
Perfect. I think Tiwari is a smart cricketer, and he has played decent cricket in his heydays, and yet he looks to be competitive even at this stage.
कितने ऐसे खिलाड़ी हैं जो इनिंग्स के अंदर बॉलिंग भी ओपन करें, बैटिंग को भी ओपन करें और क्वालिटी क्रिकेट खेलें. मनोज तिवारी उनमें से एक.
Pradeep looking to strike with another 3 balls left in this power play over.
Shot. And that's it straight. It's got to be 4. There's a fielder at long off, but he didn't even move. Sharad Kelkar knew he had no chance to get there. Another boundary for Pradeep. He goes up to 14 now.
The happy dugout from Karnataka Bulldozers. Nice and straight. Pradeep, good punch. And the fielder at long off, Pradeep Kelkar, was too wide, Raman. Sharad Kelkar. I beg your pardon, Sharad Kelkar.
पर ये चांस बन सकता है. क्लीन स्ट्राइक थी नहीं, लीडिंग एज पे लगी थी बॉल. छोड़ दो क्लियर कॉल सुनाई दे रही थी.
Absolutely, you know, Pradeep trying to hit over mid-on. In the bargain, the bat face got opened up and went a little bit more further towards Sharad at long off. 1 ball in this last power play over. Let's see what Pradeep has to do.
Oh, he screamed this. 1 bounce and over. It's turned out to be an expensive 6 deliveries. 14 runs from it. It's 27 for 1.
Watching the proceedings.
Cracker of a shot this, well fielded. And there's a chance of a run out here. Oh, that could have been close. Very awkward throw. Sharad Kelkar struggled to collect that throw that came in. It was Raja Bherwani, I think, standing at the short extra cover position. Take another look at this. Good stop.
Good stop though, but Raja, I think he threw it harder. He's going for a direct hit. He would have been out. Would have hit the stump. But very well backed up by Sharad. You know, he's a bit hurt in that. Keeper the other way, waiting to get the ball to his end. That's a great thing. That shows that involvement from everyone.
And the bench is pretty involved as well for the Mumbai Heroes. Remember, this is the first over after the power play. So you can have 5 boundary riders. So that's exactly what Sharad Kelkar is trying to manage now in terms of where he wants his fielders. Just seen Manoj Tiwari being moved all the way across from the onside onto off. They've got a third man back. They've got a deep point back at the fence. Long off at the fence as well. On the onside, 2 boundary riders at deep mid-wicket and long on for Kelkar, who's in his final over, remember.
Field very well opened up. So another wide from Sharad. Raman, here, you know, suddenly they opened up the fielding position everywhere. You know, considering Pradeep's those last 2 boundaries made Mumbai Heroes team Varun to think go a little bit defensive.
और मुझे तो लगा बच गए यहाँ पर शरद केलकर. फाइन लेग ऊपर और आप डाउन लेग गेंदबाजी करें तो आप हिट मी के साथ बॉल डाल रहे हैं वहाँ पे. ये बेहतर फील्डर है बाउंड्री रोप पे, प्रोटेक्शन है डीप के अंदर. फील्ड के तहत बॉलिंग करते हुए केलकर इस बार.
Slightly getting a different angle, which could ease out for him to bowl on the stumps. And now Raj Hans rushed to the ball to avoid the second run for the Karnataka Bulldozers.
रन रेट इस समय 9 रन प्रति ओवर की कर्नाटका बुलडोजर्स के लिए. चौथा ओवर स्टार्ट तो अच्छी मिली है. क्या इस मोमेंटम को मेंटेन कर सकते हैं? इस बार कोई रन नहीं. सीधा बडोला के पास गई थी बॉल.
Absolutely is a good dot ball at this stage. Rajiv is looking to hit hard. We could see him back and moving across. It's important for any batsman to get into the shape and position to hit clearly with a full face of the bat.
Oh, that little shimmy from the batsman. Just saw it late, did Sharad. Wanted to keep the ball away from the bat, and that's why he's ended up conceding a wide.
Absolutely, you know, Rajiv moved very smartly, and Sharad also tried to bowl away from him. It's a good tactics though, but ended up bowling a wide.
That's going to be runs here, at least a couple. Good effort in the outfield. I think that was Apurva Lakhia with the fielding effort. Did well. He's a left-handed player, Lakhia, so it went towards his natural hand. Oh, look at the crowd. They're enjoying themselves. Yes, and you know exactly who they're supporting.
I think Apurva Lakhia saved 2 runs for Mumbai Heroes. And Rajiv gave it all for that shot.
Oh, that's hit hard. There is a fielder at the deep. Just a single this time around. He seems to be in the firing line, Kelkar. That's another delivery that's gone by.
Sharad, you know, is getting hit on everywhere. We see Kicha Sudeep's picture. Karnataka Bulldozers team, the supporters of their home heroes, home team. It's nice to see those flags. You know, this event of 2 days, a great event to be among this ground in Rajiv Gandhi Opal.
This partnership's worth 30 runs और ये 30 रन केवल 20 गेंदों में आए हैं प्रदीप और राजीव के बीच. एक अच्छा स्टैंड कर्नाटका बुलडोजर्स के लिए. अच्छी रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट्स. 4 ओवर समाप्त. स्कोर 35 पर 1.